Okay, today we are discussing with the chapter arithmetic progression. Very beginning, that what is meant by a progression and what are the different types of progressions we can see. Progression is nothing but, let us see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. If you observe these examples, first example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that is, next number is obtaining by adding a fixed number, that is, I added 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, that is, to the previous number I am adding a fixed number to generate the next number. Similarly, in the second example, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 equal to 15, that is, next number is obtaining by adding a fixed number to its previous number. Let us come to third example, 2 4, that is, 4 is multiplied with 2 8, 8 is multiplied with 2 16, 16 is multiplied with 2, that is, in these three examples, example number 1, if you observe, if you add a fixed number to its preceding number to get the next number. Example 2 is also same, but example 3, you are multiplying a fixed number to its preceding number to generate the next number. That is, like such sequence are called progressions. How many types of progressions are there? First one, arithmetic progressions. Number 2, geometric progressions. Number 3, harmonic progressions. But in this session we are discussing only with the arithmetic progressions. Geometric progressions and harmonic progressions we can study in our further classes. Now, what is meant by arithmetic progressions we can know in detail. Arithmetic progression is the progression in which every term is obtained by adding, by subtracting a fixed number to its preceding number. Once again I have to repeat, arithmetic progression is the progression in which every term is obtained by adding a fixed number, to its preceding number. Then such a sequence is called arithmetic progression. That is, in arithmetic progression we can add a fixed number, we can subtract a fixed number. Okay, next, that is, the difference is maintaining throughout the question must be constant. Now let us see about the geometric progression and the harmonic progressions in our future classes. Okay, now let us see about the arithmetic progression in detail. In arithmetic progression, first term is denoted with A and common difference is denoted with D. Formula T2 minus T1. That is T2 means term 2, T1 means term 1. That is, in some cases it can be mentioned as A2 minus A1 also. Now, first term T1 is represented with A. Now, to represent T2, term 2 formula A plus D. To represent third term formula A plus 2D. To represent the fourth term, the formula A plus 3D. That is, if the fourth term 1 is reduced, 4 minus 1, that is a 3. If it is the third term, 3 minus 1, that is a 2. If it is the second term, 2 minus 1, that is the 1. Up to so on. Nth term, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Similarly, which is called general term. Therefore, general term Tn is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. In one more way, we can represent this one, that is called T1, first term is equal to A, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is a T3 means it is a preceding T2, T4, T3 plus D. Similarly, if you follow Tn is equal to n, its preceding term is Tn minus 1 plus D. Therefore, for D formula to find the D, Tn minus Tn minus 1. That is, common difference, to find the common difference formula D is equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Here very beginning itself common difference formula T is equal to T2 minus T1 written. Okay, let us substitute in place of N2, that is D is equal to T2 minus 2 minus 1, that is a 1. That is a D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is the general formula to find the common difference. See our next formula generation. If A comma B comma C are in AP, then show that B is equal to A plus C by 2. That is, answer, given A comma B comma C are in AP, that is A comma B comma C are in AP, then B is called arithmetic mean. B is called arithmetic mean of A and C. That is, let us treat this as the T1, this as T2, this as T3. We know one condition, that is, if A comma B comma C are in AP, then one condition we know, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. This is the condition. In place of this one, substitute above. B minus T1 is A, T3 nothing but C minus B. Now grouping, B minus B bring this side, plus B is equal to C plus A. That is, 2b is equal to c plus a, b is equal to c plus a by 2. That is, what we understand from this one is, if three terms are in AP, that is A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then the formula B is equal to A plus C by 2. Suppose from this case, I want to convert A as the subject. That is what will happen. A is equal to 2B minus C. Similarly, I want to convert C as the subject. That is C is equal to 2B minus A. Already B is already in the subject form, that is A plus C by 2. A is equal to 2B minus C. C is equal to 2B minus A. Now, let us take one small example. If 3, 4, 5 are in AP, 3, 4, 5 are in AP, then 4 is equal to, we will see, you know 4 is equal to, 4 means arithmetic mean, 4 is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. That is a 4 is equal to 8 by 2. That is a 4 is equal to 4. That is, see, LHS is equal to RHS. Now see the next example. Which of the following are APs? If they are in AP, find the common difference D. Write next 3 terms. Come to the first one. Before going to check whether the given ones are in AP, the condition is they must maintain the common difference throughout the question. If they maintain the common difference, then we can conclude that the given one are in arithmetic progression. Now let us see the first one. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. Now consider the first term as A, that is a 2. Second term T2 is equal to 5 by 2. T1 is equal to A is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 5 by 2. Now common difference D is equal to formula T2 minus T1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2, that is 2 2's 4, 5 minus 4, that is a 1 by 2. Common difference is 1 by 2 here. Now let us see the next one. D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is a 3, T2 is a 5 by 2. That is 2 3's are 6, 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. Here also the common difference is 1 by 2 only. Now D is equal to T4 minus T2, T3. T4 is a 7 by 2 minus 3. That is 2 3's are 6, 7 minus 6, that is 1 by 2. That is, the given question is maintaining the constant common difference, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, you conclude D is equal to 1 by 2. Now, A first term is 2, common difference is 1 by 2. Now, what we have to find? Find the next 3 terms. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are given. That is a T5 is equal to formula T4 plus D. This is the formula you have to use when you know your preceding term. Here I know my preceding term. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Denominators are same. That is 8 by 2, which is nothing but a 4. Now T6 is equal to, next 3 terms he want, T6 is equal to T5 plus D. T5 is 4 plus common difference is 1 by 2. That is 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Now T7 is equal to T6 plus D. That is T6 nothing but 9 by 2 plus D is 1 by 2. Now here the denominators are same. 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Therefore, next three terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5 and so on. Now let us come to the second example. Already we discussed that what is the verification the given one is in AP. It must maintain the common difference. That is a given 3 comma 3 plus 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Here a value is 3. A value is 3. There is a common difference D is equal to formula T2 minus T1. Now let us find first common difference. D is equal to T2, 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 get cancelled. That is common difference is root 2. If it maintains throughout the question constant, we can conclude that this is in AP. Now come to second case. D is equal to T3 minus T2. That is D is equal to T3 nothing but 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 nothing but 3 plus root 2. That is D is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus into plus minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. D is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is root 2. Yes, in second case is also it is answer root 2. Now while come to the third case, D is equal to T4 minus T3. That is a D is equal to, what is a T4? 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term. 3 plus 3 root 3 minus, what is the T3 value? 3 plus 2 root 2. That is a D is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 minus into plus minus 2 root 2. Root 3 get cancelled. D is equal to 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 root 2. 3 root 2, that is here it is a root 2, here also this is a root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it is a root 2. That is here also the third option is root 2. Now root 2 in the first case common difference, in the second case is also common difference is root 2, in the third case is also common difference is root 2. Therefore this question is maintaining the constant common difference throughout the sum. Therefore we can conclude that therefore given question is in AP. The given question is in AP. Now what we have to do? We have to find the next three terms, that is T1, T2, T3, T4 is given. That is I want to find out the T5. T5 is equal to formula T4 plus D. That is T5 is equal to T4, 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. That is T5 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Now T6, T5 I got. Next T6 is equal to T5 plus D. That is T6 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. That is a T6 is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 Now T6 also I am ready with the T6. Now T7 is equal to A plus, we will use some different formula, A plus 6D. We can use T6 plus D also, but we will use for this one this formula. T7 is equal to, what is a A? A means the first term 3, 6 root 2. Now the next three terms T5, T6, T7 are generated. Next, we'll come to the last question. Let us see. Given root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. Now A is equal to root 2, D is equal to, write the formula, T2 minus T1, that is D is equal to T2 root 8 minus root 2, that is D is equal to, root 8 can be break down into 4 into 2, root 8 is equal to 2 root 2, that is 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is a D is equal to root 2. Next, second case, D is equal to T3 minus T2, D is equal to T3 root 18 minus root 8, D is equal to, root 18 can be written as 9 into 2 minus root 8 nothing but 2 root 2, that is D is equal to, root 9 can be written as 3 root 2 minus root 2, D is equal to root 2. Yes, here also it is maintaining the common difference. We'll come to third category. D is equal to T4 minus T3. D is equal to, T4 is root 32, T3 root 18. D is equal to root over, this can be break down as 16 into 2, root 18 nothing but the simplified form is 3 root 2. D is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that's a D is equal to root 2. That is, in this question also it is maintaining the common difference throughout the question. Therefore, we can conclude that root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 are in AP. Now, we have to find out the next three terms, that is T1, T2, T3, T4 are given. Now we have to find out the T5. T5 is equal to T4 plus D. T5 is equal to, what is the T4? T4 means root 32 plus common difference is root 2. Now T5 can be written as root 32 can be written as, root 32 can be written as 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is T5 is equal to 5 root 2. Similarly, we have to find out T6. T6 nothing but T5 plus D, that is T6 is equal to, T5 is 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is T6 is equal to 6 root 2. Similarly, T7 is equal to, T7 is equal to T6 plus D, T7 is equal to T6 is 6 root 2 plus root 2, that is a T7 is equal to 7 root 2. Therefore next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. Let us follow the next examples. Which term of the AP 23, 46, 69, 92 is 437? The meaning of this question is, if you continue this sequence like this, at what place you will get 437? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 10th place, 15th place, 20th place, some x place. Similarly, which term of AP in the same model 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81. In this question also minus 81 position is a which position we have to find out. Okay, now let us see the first question. Given AP is this is a given AP. Now A is equal to 26. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 46 minus 23, that is D is equal to 23. Common difference is 23. Now let nth term of AP will be 437. Actually, I don't know the which position of 437 will occurs, but that's why my imagination is 437 position is a nth term, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is Tn, in the Tn position you have to replace 437. Why? Because its nth position is a 437. That is A value 23 plus n value I don't know, n minus 1 into common difference is 23. The next step, 437 minus 23 equal to 23 times n minus 1. That is this plus 23 transfer to the other side, that will become minus 23. That is 7 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 4. 414 is equal to 23 by n minus 1. That is, in the next step, it is 23 into, that's into transfers to the other side, that will become a division, that is 414 by 23 is equal to n minus 1. That is 23 table 414 cancels how many times? Let us do here the rough work. That is 23 table 414. That is 1 time. 2 times means it's more. 1 time 23. Now reminder, 11 minus 3, that is 8. 1 borrowed, 3 minus 2, 1. 184. 184. That is 23 eights. Let us check. 23 eights. 24. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. That is 8 times 184. Therefore 23 table it cancels 18 times. 18 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 18 minus 1 brings to other side plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 19. That is, let nth term of AP will be n means therefore 19th term of AP. Therefore write the conclusion. Therefore 19th term of AP is 437. Now let us come to example 2. Which term of AP, given AP is 21, 18, 15 and so on. Now please go to the question. Which term of AP 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81? And connected question, also is any term is 0? That means if you continue this sequence, at any place, you will get like the number 0. Now let us check. A value 21, D value T2 minus T1, that is a D is equal to 18 minus 21, D is equal to minus 3. Now the common difference is minus 3. Now which term is minus 81? Actually I don't know, that's my supposition. Let nth term of AP will be minus 81. Nth term of AP will be minus 81. That is Tn is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. That is a Tn position minus 81 is here. Minus 81 is equal to A value is a 21 plus n minus 1, that is n value I don't know, that is n minus 1 into, we have to find out the value of the n here, that is a common difference D is equal to minus 3. Minus 81, this is plus 21, bring the other side, that is a minus 21 is equal to minus 3 times of n minus 1. That is minus 81 minus 21, that is minus 102, because the same signs, that is addition, equal to minus 3 times of n minus 1. Both sides minus minus get cancelled. Now multiplication 3 crosses the is equal to, that is 102 by 3 equal to n minus 1. Now 3 table 102. 3 times 9, here the remainder is a 1 after 2, that is a 12. 3 table 12 cancels 4 times is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 34 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 35. Therefore you conclude here. Therefore 35th term of AP is minus 81. Case 1 is over. Now case 2, there is a connected question we have to consider. Also, is any term is 0? Actually we don't know. Let nth term of AP will be 0. Nth term of AP will be 0. That is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term position is a 0. A value is a 21. N minus 1. Now n minus 1 is equal to D. What's the D value? Minus 3. That is minus 21 is equal to minus 3 times of n minus 1. Plus 21, bring the other side, that is a minus 21. Minus minus get cancelled. 21 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. That is 3 table it cancels 7 times. 7 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 7 plus 1, that is n is equal to 8. Therefore, eighth term of AP will be 0. Therefore, at eighth term the value must be equal to 0. Let us see the next example. Fifth term of AP is 26 and the 10th term is 51. Determine the 15th term of AP and the nth term. Given fifth term 26, 10th term is equal to 51. Fifth term means our general formula a plus 4d is equal to 26 and 10th term means a plus 9d is equal to 51. That is, this is equation 1, now this is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. A plus 4d equal to 26, a plus 9d equal to 51. Now, subtraction process, minus a get plus a get cancel, 4d minus 9d minus 5d is equals to 51, 26 minus 51, that is minus 25, minus minus get cancel, d is equal to 25 by 5, d is equal to 5. Therefore, d nothing but common difference, d is equal to 5. Now, this is equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in 1, that is a plus 4d is equal to 26. That is a nothing, a plus 4 times d nothing but 5 equal to 26. That is a plus 20 is equal to 26. A is equal to 26 minus 20, that is a is equal to 6. Therefore, a nothing but first term is equal to 6. Now, find the AP and the nth term. Now, I know the first term, I know the common difference, that is we have to find out. A is equal to 6, d is equal to 5. Now, T1 is equal to A is equal to 6, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that is 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11. T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is equal to 11 plus 5, that is equal to 16. Therefore, required AP is 6, first term, 11, 16 and so on. After that, I have to find out the nth term. Now, nth term of AP, nth term of AP, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is Tn is equal to a nothing but 6 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 5, that is Tn is equal to 6 plus 5n minus 5, that is Tn is equal to 5n plus 6 minus 5, that is a plus 1. Therefore, nth term of AP is 5n plus 1. Now welcome to next question. Eighth term of AP is given. Answer to B. Eighth term of AP is 37. That is given. Eighth term equal to 37, comma 12th term equal to 57. Eighth term equal to 37, comma 12th term equal to 57. Eighth term a plus 7d equal to 37. 12th term a plus 11d equal to 57. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. That is a plus 7d is equal to 37, a plus 11d equal to 57. Now subtraction process, symbols change, minus minus minus. 7 minus 11 minus 4d is equal to minus 20, minus minus get cancelled. D is equal to 20 by 4, that is D is equal to 5. Therefore common difference D is equal to 5. Now this is equation 3. Let us substitute equation 3 in 1. That is a plus 7d is equal to 37. Now I know the value of the d, substitute in place of d 5. A plus 7 times 5 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 35. Why? Because this 7 5 is 35. This is the plus 35, moves other side means minus 35. That is A is equal to 2. Therefore first term A is equal to 2. Now I am ready with here common difference D and the A value 2. Therefore after that you have to find out the 10th term. In arithmetic progression, if you know the first term and if you know the common difference, we can find out any number. Now let us find 10th term. T10 is equal to A plus 9D. And one more formula is also there. T10 is equal to T9 plus D. But that formula is not suitable here. Why? Because here I don't know the value of the T9. Now after that, before going to find this one, he asked me that find AP. Okay, that is why first we have to find out the AP. How to find the AP? Now A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 5. T1 is equal to A is equal to 2. T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that is a 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Next T3 is equal to T2 plus D, that is 7 plus 5, that is equal to 12. That is, therefore required AP is 2, 7, 12 and so on. That is the required AP. After that find the 10th term. Now 10th term formula T10 is equal to A plus 9D. That is a T10 is equal to A value is a 2 plus 9 times D value. What is the D value? 5. That is T10 is equal to 2 plus 45. That is a T10 is equal to 47. Next we have to find out the nth term of AP. Nth term of AP we have to find out. That is nth term formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is Tn is equal to, what is the A? A value is a 2. 2 plus n minus 1 into, what is the D? Difference, common difference is a 5. That is Tn is equal to 2 plus 5n minus 5. That is Tn is equal to 5n plus 2 minus 5, that is a minus 3. Therefore, nth term of AP is 5n minus 3. Let us see the next example. Which term of AP minus 8, 3, 14, 25 and so on will be 140 more than its 69th term? The second example is also similar to the same question, but numbers are quite different. Now see the first question. Given AP is minus 8, 3, 14, 25 and so on. This is the given AP. From this one, first identify the positions of A and D. First term A is equal to minus 8, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is a D is equal to 3 minus of minus 8, that is a D is equal to 3 plus 8, that is a D is equal to 11. Now I am ready with the values of first term A minus 8 and the common difference D is equal to 11. Now from the data, which term of AP? Let my supposition, which term of AP? Actually I don't know, we don't know which term of AP is 143 more than its 69th term. That's why we considered as let nth term of AP will be 143 more than its 69th term. This is my supposition. That is Tn is equal to T69 plus 143. Why plus 143? It is given more than. That is Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. That is Tn A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to T69 is equal to first A plus 68D plus 143. Both sides A value get cancelled. That is T69 formula A plus 68D. Now n minus 1 into D value is 11 is equal to 68 into 11 plus 143. That means 11n minus 11 is equal to 68 11s. Let us do in the rough margin. 68 11s. 68 8 748 plus 143. Let us check one more time. 8 6 plus 8 4 6 plus 1, that is a 748. That is 11n minus 11 is equal to, add the both 748 and 143, 8 plus 3 11, 4 plus 1 4 plus 1 9, 891, 891. That is, I will replace my LHS as like this only. I don't want to open with the 11. I will continue with n minus 1 is equal to 11 only. That is, with this 11, let us cancel this one. 8 times 88, 1 remainder. 1 after 1 is that 11. That is 1 time. That is, n minus 1 is equal to 81. N is equal to 81 plus 1. That is, n is equal to 82. Therefore, we have to conclude the answer. I am ready with the value of the n. Which term of AP? Therefore, I got the n value is equal to 82. Therefore, 82th term. Which term? 82th term of AP will be 143 more than its 69th term. Therefore, our answer is 82nd term. Now, let us consider the B part. Given AP is 8, 14, 20, 26 and so on. That is, A is equal to 8, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is D is equal to 14 minus 8, that is D is equal to 14 minus 8, that is 6. Now, I am ready with the common difference. D is equal to 6. Now, according to the question, which term of AP will be 72 more than its 41st term? Let my supposition, let nth term of AP will be 72 more than its 41st term. This is my supposition. Let nth term of AP will be 72 more than its 41st term. That is, Tn is equal to T41 plus 72. Why 72? 72 more than. That is, A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to T41 A plus 40D plus 72. That is, both sides A get cancelled. That is, n minus 1 into, what is the D value is a 6, is equal to 40 into 6 plus 72. That is, n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 240 plus 72. That is, n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 7, 11, that is 312. That is 6 table 312. That is 6 5s are 30. Remainder is a 1 after 2, that is 52 times. 6 table 12 2 times. That is, n minus 1 is equal to 52. N minus 1 is equal to 52. That is, n is equal to 52 plus 1. That is, n is equal to 53. Therefore, our supposition, therefore, 53rd term of AP will be 72 more than its 41st term. Let us follow the next examples. Find the 11th term from last of the AP. 10, 7, 4 and so on minus 62. Till so far we know how to find the 10th term, 15th term, 20th term, something from the beginning we know. But this is the case that find the 11th term from the last. And the second example is find the 20th term from the last. For a particular APs are given here. Now let us follow. Given AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on minus 62. Now what we have to do in this process is we have to write from the back to the front, that is minus 62 and so on 4, 7, 10. That is, now your first term A is equal to minus 62 and your common difference is T2 minus T1. That procedure is the same. That is 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. That is or 10 minus 7. That is D is equal to 3. Common difference is equal to 3. Therefore, common difference D is equal to 3. Now we want 11th term from last. Therefore, 11th term is equal to T11 is equal to A plus 10D. If the question is from the beginning, we will write that is the 11th term from the last. But what we did the procedure is the reverse. That is data is the reverse. Now 11th term T11 is equal to A minus 62 plus 10 times 3. That is T11 is equal to minus 62 plus 30. That is T11 is equal to minus 32. Therefore, 11th term from last, 11th term from last is minus 32. Let us see the second example. Given AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. That is A is equal to 3, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Okay, let us see, we will follow find the 20th term from the last of the AP. Now we will see, reverse the data first, that is 253 and so on 13, 8, 3. We have to write the data from the back to the front. That is, now your A value is 253. The common difference is T2 minus T1. That is 3 minus 8. That is equal to minus 5. Now after this I have to find, therefore common difference D is equal to minus 5. Now I have to find 20th term. If you start the question from the beginning means 20th from the last. But what we did, the data will be reversed. That is, now it is 20th term from the first only. That is T20 is equal to A plus 19D. That is T20 is equal to A 253 plus 19 times minus 5. That is T20 is equal to 253 plus into minus, minus 19 5s are 95. That is T20 is equal to, here 3 minus 5 is not possible. 13 minus 5, that is 8. 4 minus 9 is also not possible, then get borrowed. 14 minus 9, that is a 5. Here 2, 1 borrowed, that is a 1. Therefore 20th term from last is 158.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.